Hello ho ho and welcome back to Matplotlib. Welcome back to another Python video. And yeah, today we are combining Matplotlib with two packages I never engaged before in any video, but we are mainly focusing again on Matplotlib because we are visualizing data since in our last videos we always only kind of just learned how to visualize data, but we never visualized any actual data. And today we are gonna do that. This is not a regular part of the Matplotlib series. This is more like the visualizing the night sky video regarding Matplotlib. So it's not part of the actual tutorial series. And I'm giving you just a blueprint. You have many ways to expand the code to make many stuff with it. It's just, the part that is, in my opinion, you make the easiest mistakes just by not knowing certain stuff or how the arguments work. So yeah, enough talking, let's dive into it. First of all, we need 4 packages. The code is not as long as you may think, but we still need PyAudio. You have to install it with pip install, or if you're using if you're just using PyCharm, you can just move your cursor above PyAudio and click on install. The same goes for import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, import structure. Just one little function regarding structure is needed. But yeah, we need structure to translate hexadecimal code into readable numbers. And yeah, I am totally confused because there are only 3 packages. Maybe it's a Mandela effect, I don't know. So yeah, first of all, we need to create an PyAudio object without any arguments, which we are called mic, because we want to record what we talk through our microphone. And with this microphone object, we can create a stream. So now we need to create a stream using our mic object. So we are naming it just stream. And with mic open, we kind of create the stream, but now we need a certain arguments. If you want, I can dive deeper into the arguments by a certain video or a new video, but I don't want to focus that much on the PyAudio library because that could be part of your own tutorial series. First of all, we need format equals PyAudio integer 16, I hope I pronounce it right, weight equals 44,100. By the way, this code, I've seen it much on the internet in different forms and versions. For example, I had to look up for the arguments by myself. I don't know them. I can't tell you just by my memory how the arguments are. I have to write them down by myself. Input and output are true, so input equals true, output equals true. With this stream, you are also should be possible to record the output of your output devices. So we are having only one channel, and frames per buffer should be 2048. Now next is we need a while true loop, while lowercase while true with a colon, and we need data. This is, by the way, the variable for our data equals stream.read, and input should be 2048. And now let's print our data first. So what do we have? Let's run something like, let's run it. Oh, wrong one. Oops. Okay, I got the wrong script. So here we go. If we now click on 1, we get, yeah, this is hexadecimal code marked by the X at the beginning of each. I just see that you won't see that. So let me just move it a little bit upwards. Here you can see it. He's just printing hexadecimal code. And yeah, let's now unpack this code. And for that, we need our structure, meaning, yeah, red data equals, and now structure point unpack. Now our format is, and that is important, I made this multiple times wrong, 4096, double of our buffer. Then we need the character B for bytes. And yeah, of course he doesn't know which data to unpack, so we are giving him the data. And yeah, now let's print the wet data. And yeah, here we go. Now we see some numbers. Okay, that sounds a little bit too easy, but we are seeing numbers. Okay, but to make it more readable, we should do it into a list or maybe even a NumPy array. So let's say np, and yeah, that wasn't the Mandela effect. Import NumPy as np. Let me do a NumPy array based on it. np point array, long bracket. Here we go. Let me just see if it works that way. Yeah, works perfectly. Okay, and now we need Matplotlib because we are using plt point parse 0.01. And yeah, what we are gonna do, we want to plot the data, the wet data, and we can do that in this case by bar plots. You have many kinds of plots where you can represent the waves. And yeah, and the best way, in my opinion, would be like regular graphs. But yeah, let's do it because yeah, most people did it with regular graphs. So let's do it with plot bars. So we make something, yeah, something less mainstream. Okay. Let's say bars equals plt point bar. Now, first of all, we need a list of labels. So every data can be labeled like I for I in, or let's say string of I for I in range length of red data. And yeah, the data is surprisingly red data. Like this. And this step is important because without this step, you will just get one bar because he's kind of rewriting the only one bar he has, because every bar has the same label. And to avoid that, we need to make a list. And this will cost too much resources in this case. So let's only do like the first 60 ones. Now if we click on 1, you can maybe see it. Let me see if you can see that. No, you can't. So let me show you. Here we go. These are the waves, as you can see, but they are not depending on my microphone at the moment. Okay, now I made a certain mistake, by the way, because it didn't work. Wet data, np point array, structure point unpack, important lowercase b. 4069 and the lowercase b, not uppercase b. And now if we do it like this, If I'm quiet, yeah, you see the difference between me being quiet and me being loud. Here we go. Okay, now let's remove the bars after each pause. Bars point remove. Now again. And yeah, now you can even better see it, or you can see it even better because I'm making these pauses. And yeah, hello. Okay, next step, let's increase the bars a little bit. I guess we have the rest of those left. Yeah, even works with 100 bars. It's kind of lagging a little bit, but still. Yeah, let me make it a little bit larger, like here. We can even set one color, but I think it's more interesting and entertaining if we use different colors. Okay, with that in mind, I am finished. I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, nighttime, whatever time it is in your country. And by the way, you can try to plot the same with kind of, yeah, usual graphs. Even scatter can be interesting. Yeah. Make your own way of plotting your Pi audio. I gave you the tools. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello ho ho and welcome back to Python. Welcome back to Matplotlib. And yeah, welcome back to Hello ho ho and no.